In this video, you will learn how to get a car dealer license in Florida, choose the dealer license type, determine the type of license you need, such as new, used, wholesale or auction dealer, based on your business plan, establish a business location, secure a permanent office or display. That means a lot for the Florida Department of Highway Safety or Motor Vehicle standard, including signage and zoning approval. Attend a pre-licensing dealing training course. Complete your required dealer training course, approved by the Florida DMV, and obtain a certificate of completion. Obtain a bond and liability insurance. Provide a $25,000 loan or proof of liability insurance with at least $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident coverage. Complete your dealer license application. Fill out the application of motor vehicles, mobile home or recreational vehicle dealer form, and attach all required documents. Submit your application and pay the fee. Submit a completed application, your training certificate, insurance, and all the fees for your regional Florida DMV office. Then wait for approval. Now you know how to get a car dealer license in Florida. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.